Guess what arrived? Let's unwrap this Sojourner Hydration Pack. Great for any adventure. So let's open it. A ver qué tal. Check out this stylish, lightweight design. You can take this anywhere. Perfect for festivals, hiking, running, biking, y más. So check this out. It comes with a 2-liter bladder bag. So you can keep hydrated anywhere you go. They have different colors. So let's put it on. A ver qué tal. So check it out. Once again, it has a hook strap and, for your cell phone. And here you go for your water. It has a zipper compartment here, and it has another one here. And this is where your water pack goes. So check it out. It's great for rave festivals. It's great for theme parks. It's great for hiking, running. This is very useful for many things. Really cool. They have different colors, and then you just open it, and so check it out. Super cool. I really like it. I will definitely be using this. Stay hydrated. Click on the link and get yours today.